Sorry, Mama. No. Are those small, Papi? Those small. You push, say hello. And I say hello to the vlog.
I'm a paper blind, wind is throwing me across the sky.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, today is Wednesday morning, guys. Yeah, I'm starting a vlog. So I just finished making breakfast for the kids, and I made the pancakes for them, and this is the last one. So I'm going to do my breakfast. So I'm going to be eating this with some maybe banana, or I don't know. I would have loved to make a smoothie, but I'm craving coffee. Today is kind of going to be a busy day, so I think I need a cup of coffee. So let me make myself some coffee, guys. So good morning. Good morning. Bonjour. So guys, this is what I'm using for my sugar now. I think I showed you guys in one of my vlogs. So they said it's 0 calories, but I don't know how true that is. So no more sugar in my coffee. Shades. Yeah, I have it too. I have a little bit of milk. So this is my breakfast, guys. Bon appetit. Sorry about the noise. Let me show you guys the situation in my sitting room. So guys, this is the situation of things in my living room. Look, Ali, Ata, everybody's going to introduce themselves. Let's start from what is your name, princess? What is your name? Yeah, this is a Emo Shogwe, guys. It's my friend's daughter. This is the latest big sister in town. Her mom just gave birth to a pretty baby. Yeah. So she's the latest. Look how excited she is. So, what is your name?
Hello, I'm Astrid.
Yeah, this is Astrid. She's the biggest sister in town. Yeah, Astrid is older than Emo Shogwe, and Emo Shogwe just became a big sister 2 days ago. Yeah, it's 2 days ago now. Yeah. So let's come to this little man right here. What is your name?
Nathan.
How old are you? Yeah, you guys know Nathan. Nathan is my son. Take a large. Yeah, she's 5 years old, and Moshogwe is 1 year old. She will be 2 years in September though, and Nathan will be 3 years in August. Sorry. So we are coming to the madam of the house.
Hello.
What is your name?
Amoni.
Yeah, this is Amoni. Amoni is my daughter. You guys already know her. How old are you?
6 years.
Yeah, Amoni is 6 years old. So do you guys have anything to say to the camera?
Hello. Hello, camera. My mommy is in the hospital. Great.
I'm a mom of 4 for a few days. Just take a look, guys. Take a look.
Paper and start making me. Every step is major. Try to be focusing, and of course it hurts every fault you make, but I know.
Oh, hi, Chocho. Who is the latest big sister? And give baby Bizu.
Baby sleeping.
People are disturbing her. The cuckoo. Moshosho, how do you feel to be a big sister? Shosho.
Aya, Bisu baby. Kiss baby. Give the baby a kiss.
Oh, the minion. Look at the latest mommy in town. See boobs. See boobs. Oh, with our little baby. And the latest big sister. What Jojo? Say cuckoo.
Smiling.
Look at Astrid. Say cuckoo.
Hello. Look at my new baby.
Yeah.
Her name is.
Be careful with the baby. Her name is Orobosa.
Her name is Korobosa.
Don't smile, Astrid.
We love her so much.
Yeah, I'm in my friend's house. Yes, I came to visit the cutie.
Look at her.
We came to visit the cutie. What did you say? Hello.
Hello.
Astrid, cuckoo.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, I just brought the kids back home because their mom came home this afternoon. So baby is kicking and mommy is kicking.
You say mommy's kicking.
Yeah, I mean they are fine. That's what it means. When you say baby is kicking, it means baby is fine. Yes.
Baby's kicking.
Yeah, baby is kicking and mommy is
fine.
kicking.
This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore. Why did you teach me how to fly, but forgot that I should land? I'm a paper.
No.
It's beautiful, Mama. Be careful, Mama. Be careful. Don't break it. That thing is glass. The cover is glass, guys.
They can break.
You take a paper and start making me. Every step is major. Try to be focusing, and of course it hurts every thought you make, but I know for what it's for my own sake. I'm a paper blind, wind is throwing me across the sky. Thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper blind. This is what you've done to me, but
Ali, put your jacket. Who is this cutie boy?
Nene.
Who is that cutie boy?
Nene.
Ali, put your jacket.
Nene. Done.
You have to keep it well nice. Don't like that. Non, c'est pas comme ça. Oui. Oui. Allez. Oh my gosh. So normally I used to buy Mustela, guys. So this is the new one that we are using. I just started using this for the kids. Yes, Papi? I'm coming. And this one also has soap. Okay, let's go, Papi. Let's take that one. Show me your cream. It's not a picture, it's a video. Nathan thought I'm taking him a picture. Okay, let's go and pick Papi. Which one is this one? And it's still another one.
Mommy, the purple one.
The purple one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and pay and go. I'm tired. Kids are enjoying their meal. And they are watching cartoon. Yeah, they wanted to eat in the city room. So that's it. How is the food?
Good.
Nata, how is the food, Papa? Good. So I want to take down Harmony braids. The braid is old now. This is like 3 weeks now, if I'm not mistaken. Look at this stuff, your Papa. You also want to make your hair, Papi?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm watching his family. I kind of miss them. It's been a while I watched them. Like,
So I
say hello to Catherine.
I'm here to share certain things and certain knowledge.
At what
Just so
Harmony
I
is
can
doing.
share it to you guys, and so that you
Mommy,
guys
I
can
think
learn
I
and
found
stay
it.
She found a lot already. I just taught her this game a little, and ever since she is a pro. Nathan wants to say hi. Say hi, Papi.
Hi.
Sorry about the noise, guys. I'm watching a YouTube video, so I just cut Harmony's hair. I want to start losing it now. Yeah, we are done losing our hair now. Just take a look at her afro. Harmony, where's your head? Look how cute she is with her afro.
And this is my real hair.
Of course, it's your real hair. So guys, I'm making a mask for Harmony's hair. In here I have banana, I have some Greek yogurt, I have 1 egg, I have aloe vera gel, I have olive oil and also coconut oil. So I'm just going to blend everything. Cover it, Mama. So guys, this is what it's looking like. So we are done now. So I'm just putting shower cap. So she's going to leave it like this for about maybe 1 hour or 2 hours because she's going to take a nap now. So we'll see you guys later. So guys, I almost forgot to show you guys this delicious sweet potato salad that I was eating. I'm still eating it though, I just remembered. So look at it, guys. Guys, I want to boil rice. I made this rice yesterday. The rice I made, so I want to boil rice. I've not been feeling too well for some days now. Catarrh, cough, everything combined together. Yes, I'm not making gato, don't worry. You will eat gato tomorrow. We are going to Joshua's birthday. Okay? Yes, you eat gato. This is brown rice, guys. Just taking 1 cup. I already have my water. I have 2 cups of water here. Our food is ready. Yeah, Nathan's food. Nathan's already on his food. So look at Nathan. Look, he's already on his food. So this is our rice and beans and native stew. Yeah, this way. Yeah, I filmed the recipe, so you guys are going to be seeing it. Meanwhile, guys, tomorrow is our Mother's Day in France. Yeah. So I don't know if I'll be vlogging tomorrow, just in case. I'll put all the amazing moms out there, like you guys keep doing an amazing job. Like you're amazing, just the way you are.
How to fly, but forgot that.